Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on REALME GT7. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on System and Update. Now you have to select Backup and Reset and then click on Reset Phone. Now click on Erasable Data and click Clear, then click Clear again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.